AI chat and LLMs, are they a risk to your business? Using large language models, LLMs, like GPT 3.5, or any advanced AI technology, presents both opportunities and risks. Bias and fairness. LLMs can inadvertently learn biases present in their training data, which might result in biased or unfair outputs. This could lead to content that is politically incorrect, discriminatory, or offensive. 2. Bias and fairness. LLMs can inadvertently learn biases present in their training data, which might result in biased or unfair outputs. This could lead to content that is politically incorrect, discriminatory, or offensive. 3. Misinformation. LLMs can generate text that sounds plausible but is factually incorrect. Organizations must ensure that the information provided by the model is accurate and reliable. 4. Security and privacy. The use of LLMs could involve processing sensitive or private information. Ensuring the security and privacy of this data is critical to prevent breaches and unauthorized access. 5. Legal and ethical concerns. Generated content might infringe on copyright, violate intellectual property rights, or raise legal and ethical questions. Organizations need to have guidelines in place to manage these concerns. 6. Loss of human jobs. Depending on the application, there is a possibility that LLMs could replace certain human tasks, potentially leading to job displacement. 7. Dependence on third parties. Organizations relying on LLMs are dependent on the providers of these technologies. If the provider faces disruptions or discontinues the service, it could impact operations. 8. Unintended outputs. LLMs can sometimes produce outputs that are not aligned with user intent due to the complexity of language and context. This might lead to misunderstandings or frustration among users. 9. Overconfidence. Users might assume that LLM-generated content is always accurate. This can lead to decisions being made based on incorrect or biased information. 10. Lack of creativity. While LLMs are proficient at generating text, true creativity and understanding complex nuances might still be beyond their capabilities. 11. Inappropriate content. Without proper oversight, LLMs could generate content that is inappropriate, offensive, or not aligned with an organization's values. 12. Regulatory compliance. Depending on the industry and region, there might be regulations that govern the use of AI-generated content. Organizations must ensure compliance. To mitigate these risks, organizations can take several steps. Data scrutiny. Carefully curate and review the training data to minimize biases and inaccuracies. Fine-tuning. Fine-tune the model on specific data to make it more aligned with the desired outputs. Human review. Implement human review processes to ensure the quality and appropriateness of generated content. Transparency. Clearly communicate to users that they are interacting with AI-generated content. Ethics and governance. Establish clear guidelines for AI use, and consider creating an internal review board for ethical AI decisions. It's important to note that the field of AI is rapidly evolving, and advancements are being made to address many of these risks. Organizations should stay updated on best practices and developments in AI governance and responsible AI usage. For more cybersecurity tips and advice, don't forget to like and subscribe.